This is the third video from our series on part suitability, and in this one I'm focusing on how criminal records are dealt with under the UK immigration rules. So how are criminal records treated under the rules? If an applicant has been convicted of a criminal offense, either within the UK or outside the UK, which is punished with custodial or suspended sentence for up to 12 months or more, the applicant falls for mandatory refusal of a new application. Secondly, if an applicant is judged to be a persistent offender who shows a particular disregard for the law, the applicant will also fall for mandatory refusal of a new application. Thirdly, if an applicant has committed an offense or offenses that caused serious harm to another person, the applicant falls for mandatory refusal. Apart from mandatory refusal or new application, these three grounds also lead to mandatory cancellation of existing visa. So the Home Office can cancel an existing visa if the visa holder has committed an offense, a criminal offense punished with 12-month custodial or suspended sentence, or the visa holder is judged to be a persistent offender with disregard to the law, or the offender has committed an offense that caused serious harm to another person, mandatory refusal of a new application, as well as mandatory cancellation in the case of an existing visa. Okay, what about discretionary refusal on criminal ground? If the applicant had received a custodial or suspended sentence that is less than 12 months, that could lead to a discretionary refusal. If the applicant has received a non-custodial sentence or an out-of-court disposal of a case that is recorded in the criminal record of that applicant, that could also lead to a discretionary refusal. Now, a stricter rule applies to people on visitors visa or those who are in the UK for below 6 months. Both the suspended or custodial sentences below 12 months or the non-custodial sentences will all lead to mandatory refusal for applicants who are on the visitors visa or they are in the UK for less than a 6-month stay. If you need advice for your particular circumstances in relation to criminal offenses or criminal record, please seek the assistance of a solicitor, an advisor, or the Citizens Advice Bureau. Don't forget to like this video, to share with as many people as possible, and save it for your own reference. Leave your questions or comment also in the comment box. Thank you, and I'll see you again.